In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change paper size in Google Docs. If you need to format a document for printing, schoolwork, office use, or a specific regional standard, changing the paper size is a quick setting that can make a big difference. Google Docs makes this easy once you know where to find the option. To get started, open your Google Doc. Make sure you're inside the document you want to edit, because the paper size setting applies to that specific file. This is helpful if you work with different document formats and don't want every file to use the same layout. Once your document is open, go to the top left area of the screen and click on File. This will open the main file menu where Google Docs keeps several important document settings, including options for downloading, printing, and page formatting. From that menu, click on Page Setup. This is where you can adjust the overall layout of your document. In addition to paper size, this area also controls things like page orientation, margins, and page color. But for this tutorial, we're focusing only on the paper size setting. Inside the Page Setup window, look for the paper size dropdown. It may currently show something like A4, along with its dimensions in centimeters. Click on that drop-down to view the available paper size options. Depending on your needs, you might choose letter, legal, tabloid, A4, or another size supported by Google Docs. Now select the new size you want to use. Choose the one that matches how you plan to print or share the document. For example, A4 is commonly used in many countries, while letter is often standard in the United States. Picking the correct size helps ensure your formatting looks right and reduces the chance of content shifting when printed. After selecting your preferred paper size, click OK to apply the change. Your document will immediately update to reflect the new page dimensions. That's all it takes to change the paper size in Google Docs. If your text or images look slightly different afterward, that's normal, since changing the page dimensions can affect spacing and page breaks. It's a good idea to quickly review the document after making the change, especially if it includes tables, images, or carefully placed formatting. And that's how to change paper size in Google Docs quickly and easily.